Hello friends, I am Neha and I welcome you all to my channel about technology. In our today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a glitch transition effect in PowerDirector. First, let us understand what is this glitch effect. Let's view an example of it. You must have noticed the intentional error or flaw that occurs when video switches from one clip to another clip. This is nothing but the glitch effect. Well, we have two methods to create glitch effect. First is using glitch video and second is using effect room. Now let us switch on to the software and try our first method, that is using glitch video. I have two clips on track 1 of timeline, one is of monkey and another one is of gorilla. We need to add glitch effect between these two clips. So I would drag a glitch effect clip from media to track 2. Glitch videos are generally of small duration, so ensure that your video is of small duration. Also ensure that the glitch video you have added must be below the conjunction of these two videos of track 1. Now play the preview window to see the effects. Though we have added a glitch video, it is not enough. We need to blend the glitch video in between these two clips. So select the glitch clip, go to Tools and select Power Tools. Here you have to enable blending mode and choose the mode. I think difference would work for me. Now again play the video to see the effect. So this is how we can add glitch effect using glitch video. Now let us move to a second method, that is using effect room. For that, go to effect room and select a distorted effect from here. I would like to choose this BCC damage TV effect. Once chosen, drag the effect frame to the effect track. You must reduce the duration of this effect frame as we need a small amount of distortion. Place this effect frame just below the conjunction of two clips of track 1. You can further modify the effect frame using Modify tab. So select the effect frame and go to Modify tab. What you can do here is, you can reduce the signal strength, increase the level of distorted amount, increase the level of edge jaggedness, increase the degraded amount. Further, you can increase the noise amount. And when all done, play the preview window to see the effects. Though we have achieved the glitch effect, still the glitch sound is missing here. So we would add a glitch sound. In the media room, I have an audio clip with glitch sound, so I would drag this clip just below the conjunction of these two clips in track 1. Remember that the duration of glitch sound must be equal to glitch effect. So adjust the duration of this sound clip such that the sound must be heard only when the glitch effect appears. Again, play the preview window to see the effects. So this is how you can add a glitch effect to your video using effect room. For more description and explanatory screenshot, please refer our website qhow.com. You'll find URL in the description. So that's all friends. Hope you find the video useful. Please like and share this video and do subscribe our channel about technology. You can drop your queries in our comment section. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.